to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am preparing for you a grilled shrimp tacos. They come out perfect every time with the special topping. I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have peppers, butter, diced garlic, lemon pepper seasoning, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. I have here cilantro, 2 jalapeños, stallions, lime, tomato, avocado, tortillas, mozzarella cheese, and the main ingredient, shrimp. I am ready to start with this recipe, so let's get started. I am going to start by seasoning my shrimp. My shrimp is cleaned and deveined. Okay, I'm gonna add all my shrimp here. Oops, I'm already dropping 2. Okay, I'm gonna add my olive oil. My lemon pepper seasoning. My diced garlic, my red pepper flakes, and I'm just gonna combine all of this. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 to 30 minutes so everything will combine and the shrimp will absorb all the ingredients. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I have my molcajete, where I'm going to prepare my guacamole. I'm going to first dice a little bit my garlic, my 2 cloves of garlic, just a little bit. And I am going to add it to my molcajete, where I'm gonna dice them. I'm gonna make sure that I blend and I cover all my surface of my molcajete. This is the part where I get my workout. I try to go all around my molcajete so the garlic covers all coats, all the bottom of the molcajete. I'm gonna add my salt and my black pepper. At all time, I try to coat all my molcajete, so when I start adding all these ingredients, they have all the same flavor. Everything gets covered with the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna cut my limes. I have 2 limes. They are seedless, so I'm going to add my juice here. Be generous with your lime, okay? Okay, and we're just gonna okay, I have my jalapeños here. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna cut my jalapeños in half, and I'm going to take the seeds out, just so this guacamole doesn't come out too high. Okay, and we're gonna cut our jalapeños in small little squares. I am going to continue with my scallions and with the rest of my veggies, and I'll see you back when I'm done. I am ready to add all my ingredients into my molcajete. I'm just gonna mix one more time. I'm gonna put my stone aside, And I'm gonna start by adding my jalapeno, my onion, my tomato, and at this point I'm just going to mix to incorporate all that delicious flavor of the garlic and the lemon. This is smelling already delicious. Okay, we are going to add our cilantro. And we're gonna mix one more time. We're adding the avocado at the end. Okay, now we're gonna add the avocado. Oh my gosh, this smells delicious. This is when we are going to taste to see how, if it needs a little bit of more salt. Excuse me. Perfect, nice and spicy. Now let's go cook our shrimp. I want to show you how this looks from close up. This looks amazing and it smells delicious. Okay, let's get ready to prepare our shrimp. My skillet, it's nice and hot. I am ready to add my butter. And I'm ready to add my shrimp. You know that the shrimp cooks very fast. I'm just gonna let it cook until it's nice and golden. On this side, I have my comal that I'm going to turn on so I could start warming up my tortillas. I am adding my tortillas here. I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top. And I'm just gonna let them be until the cheese melts completely. The cheese has melted. I'm just gonna flip my tortillas and I'm gonna have my cheese caramelized. I'll show you when I flip them one more time. I wanna show you from close up how my shrimp is already done. I'm gonna remove from the skillet. My tortillas are ready. I am ready to prepare my shrimp tacos. Done with these delicious grilled shrimp tacos. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. But what looks even better, it's my molcajete. This is so delicious. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. This looks so amazing. I am ready to taste. I wish you were here. Excuse me. This taco came out delicious. With the lime, with the avocado, the pepper flakes. You know what I mean. This is just delicious. This is just amazing. And with this agua fresca, this lemonade, perfection. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my shrimp tacos. Bye-bye.